Welcome to Colombia, La Chorrera, the highest waterfall in Colombia. Welcome, wonderful people all over the world. My name is Frank. I'm Swiss and I run a travel agency in Bogota. Today we are showing you a great plan here very close to Bogota. It's just 45 minutes driving from the city center, and here we have the first part of La Chorrera, the highest waterfalls you can find in Colombia. It's like 590 meters. And it's a very cool trail. So when you arrive, you have to walk a little bit from the parking spot, then you get to the entrance. There you have to pay. And then it's about 10 minutes walk to the first station where we are right now. And here also you can have a coffee or a Coca-Cola. And you can walk behind the waterfall and enjoy. There are hummingbirds, really cool place. And then you can go to the second station, which is further up. And this is like, as far as I remember, 40 minutes walking, and there again you have more waterfall, and it's a great trail for hiking. And also there is actually a hike where you can walk from here until Monserrate. Really cool experience. Didn't made it so far, but people told me it's really cool. But this takes like 8 hours. So welcome to La Chorrera Waterfall, and as always we'll show you around everything you will find here, and it's a great plan for people visiting Bogota, wanted to connect with nature, very close and good infrastructure, really cool place.
Mi nombre es Marta. A este momento nos encontramos acá en el Parque Aventura La Chorrera, donde se encuentra la cascada más alta de Colombia en caída escalonada, la sexta de Sudamérica, la 60 a nivel mundial, mide 590 metros de altura. También vamos a encontrar una cascada más pequeña que se llama el Chiflón. Esta cascada mide 55 metros de altura. Aquí en La Chorrera los servicios que van a encontrar pues obviamente son la caminata ecológica, van a encontrar pues camping y servicio de gastronomía. Pues acá eso es lo que normalmente van a encontrar. También van a encontrar deportes extremos como rappel, un circuito extremo que pues son 3 tirolinas, un puente tibetano y un Indiana Jones. Es una caminata de aproximadamente 3 horas y de regreso. También van a encontrar un abrigo rocoso que se llama la Cueva de los Monos. Como tal no hay monos, lo que van a encontrar ahí son estalactitas. Está totalmente prohibido el ingreso al agua. ¿Por qué? Porque esta agua es del consumo humano, o sea, de acá sacan el acueducto para el casco urbano. Entonces, como tal, pueden simplemente ir a observar, pero no pueden ingresar al agua. Está abierto desde las 8 de la mañana a las 5:30 de la tarde, de domingo a domingo. Entonces, cordialmente invitados al Parque Aventura La Chorrera.
great trail and it's very easy to walk. And there's actually a really beautiful story behind all this, because farmers, local farmers, they united and then they organized this plan to go to La Chorrera, and this way it is really supporting local business, local people, and they watch the trails, they check that it's clean and they organize everything. So this is really sustainable, this is not just whatever, so it's really run by locals and the money also go to locals, and this is something I like a lot. And here you have a great point of view. Here it can take pictures and you see almost the whole waterfall in his whole length. We arrived at the top of the trail, and as you can see here you can walk down onto the stones, really beautiful. You can look up to the waterfall, beautiful place, and it takes approximately 45 minutes from the first station. Now we go to the Cuevas de los Monos. This is some little dungeons, and you will see when you come here there's a second pass. It's like 5 minutes from here, from the top, and then it goes up for about 10 minutes, and let's see what we find there. Let's go. So here we go up to la Cueva de los Monos. Cueva de los Monos, and just a little thing. There are dogs, local dogs, they're living here. So if you bring your most beautiful pants, it's not a good idea because you might get dirty. Come on. Oh, look here. You see? That's one of them. And they love to jump up on you, and then you're all dirty and wet. And there are two more. Ven. Ven. You see? We have him in all colors. At Cuevas de los Monos, and actually it's no dungeons, but it's some rocks here. But the view, and now the sun is coming out and we see the waterfall from here. Astonishing, beautiful, gorgeous, it's incredible. The view from here, perfect. If you come to La Chorrera, come up here and you have the greatest view ever, perfect also for selfies. still here. Okay, that was it from the highest waterfall in Colombia, La Chorrera. I hope you liked that video and hope to see you soon here on the channel, or even better, here in Colombia. I wish you all the best wherever you are. Here's Colombia Frank. Bye bye.